In this video, I'm going to show you how to make two images the same color in Adobe Photoshop. So the first thing we're going to do is import our photos into Adobe Photoshop. Now you can do this by clicking on Import Image, then go in selecting the first photo that you want to import. Once you have the first photo like this, click on Done. Now once you've imported your first image, we're then going to go and locate our second image. So mine is this one here, and we're just going to simply drag this on top of the first image. Then click on Done in the bottom navigation, and you can see down here in the layers that we have both our first image and second image. Now you can move these images so your subject image is on top of the background image. So what I'm going to do is cut out this subject, this woman here, and I'm going to change the colors of this photo so it matches the layer below, which is this kind of snow effect. So make sure you have your first layer selected with your subject. Click on Select Subject in the bottom navigation, and once you have your subject selected, click on the mask button in the bottom navigation. Now click on the adjustment layer and select Curves. And in this right hand window, you should see the properties for your curves. So what we're going to do is click on this icon so the adjustments only affect all the layers below. Then we need to double click on this graph icon in the layers. Then click on the navigation bar next to properties, click on auto options, click on find dark and light colors, and make sure snap neutral midtones is unchecked like this. Now click on the color palette next to shadows, and then go and select the darkest color in your background. Mine's this one over here, and press OK. Then click on the color palette next to highlights and select the lightest color in your background. Click on OK, and you can also adjust the midtones by clicking this color palette and selecting a color in between the darkest and lightest color. Click on OK, and now click on OK once again. You can decide whether you want to save this as a preset. I'm just going to click on no. And now if I look at the before and after, you can see this photo is now blended in with the second photo and the colors have matched the original image. Now, if you want to make this even more realistic, then you can select the curves layer in the layers tab, click on the drop down arrow next to the blending options, and go and select one of these blending options from the list below. So I'm just going to set mine to lighten, and you can also go and reposition your subject on the screen. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.